interested in fame, and I pray that never change.
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, and maybe not the next month. But only one thing is true. I will be champion one day. I promise. I promise.
I am love.
Yo, what's up, YouTubers? It's me, your man MK from the MK Disability Awareness. Yeah, guys, thank you for joining me on my channel, and thank you for watching. Yeah, guys, I do apologize for not posting for the past week. Yeah, I was just going through some personal stuff, but yeah, I'm back at it again, and today I'm making noodles, guys, noodles, guys. Watch this. So yeah, guys, what I have here is Indomie instant noodles, chicken flavor. I've got 2 of them. I'm a big eater, guys, so I'm gonna be making 2 packets. Tomato, carrot, egg. What else? Let's see what's gonna go on my what else is gonna go in my noodles. And spinach, guys. I'm gonna put some of this spinach in my noodles, nice and fresh. And what I have, I'm gonna add some spice to it. These 2 green chili are gonna go inside my noodles. It's gonna be a bit, no guys, I'm gonna use 1. I forgot. These noodles have chili in them, so they're a bit hot, so I'm just gonna put 1 chili, guys. I don't want to overdo it. Ooh, I don't want to overdo it, so the other chili we put away, only 1. So stay tuned. So what I have to do, guys, is wash the spinach before I chop it. We must always wash our things, guys, before we do it. Nice and clean. Just washed it. Nice and clean. And I forgot there's one last thing. I'm going to also add an onion. Let's watch this. Let's see what's going to happen. Chopping board. Then I need my butcher knife. I'm just going to chop off the stems. Chop off the stems. Yeah, guys. Now we chop. So, guys, I've learned something on the internet, right? So you take your, like, you pack your leaves, right? So anything that has leaves, actually, anything that you chop that has leaves, your lettuce, whatever you can get that has leaves, you get the biggest one. I think this one is my biggest one, so I'm gonna take that one, and I'm just gonna get the second biggest one. I believe it's this one. And I'm gonna put it on the biggest one. Then I'm just gonna peck. I believe this one, they were like, it's Snoop Dogg's method, something like that. He invented this method apparently. Then after picking them like that, you roll them, guys. You roll them into like a joint. I think that's Snoop Dogg's method because he smokes weed. And weed, it's like what? It's a plant, right? Yeah, you see, you roll them like that, then you chop. Maybe it's an old method, guys. Maybe people have been using this method for a very long time. So that, you know, people will say that he invented it, but he actually didn't invent it. He also saw it somewhere. It being done. So yeah. But oh well. I saw it on YouTube, guys. Well, I used to see my grandmother doing this with cabbage, this method. But other than that, I haven't seen her doing it with anything else other than the cabbage. So guys, if you can see the way I did it, you see, there's it chopped. Oh, my lighting is not that good, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, there's it chopped, guys. Chopped into thin yana slices. Yeah. So let's continue. So I'm gonna just cut it more fine. As I'm not a champ when it comes to cooking. I try, but I believe what I cook it's nice, guys. I believe so. But you guys will judge by the looks. Then I'm gonna wash my carrot, guys. Always wash your things. Then I also saw something on the internet. I also saw a friend of mine doing this, so I'm gonna try it out, guys. Also to cut the carrot like very thin. So we're gonna cut it in half, I believe so, right? Then we cut it again. Like that. Cut that one. Like that. Something like that. See? Then we cut it again. Nah, I messed up that one. Let's see this side. Guys, just comment down below how to do it the right way. Yeah, that one fell. It's not on the floor directly, so it's still fine. Okay, then I think we're gonna stack them up like that. Stack them up. Nah, I'm not. Let me just cut them one by one. I don't want to mess things up, guys. So let's just do like that. See? So that we can have like thinly sliced pieces. Let's try it with this one. This ones are not that perfect, but I tried. And let's go with the others. Alrighty guys, I've got my carrots cut. I'm gonna chop my onion. Yeah. Chop my onion. Oh, what about that guys? I was just checking if there is electricity. You know, here in South Africa we have a thing called load shedding, guys. So messed up, guys. Like, yeah, like the electricity goes like for 2 hours, sometimes 4 hours. Yeah, depending on the stages that they give you, which is so messed up, guys. But oh well, it is what it is. So guys, this is like a veggie, yeah, a veggie and egg noodle. What? Can you say it's a noodle ramen? I don't know. You guys tell me, guys. Is it a noodle ramen? Maybe. I don't know. So I'm gonna cut the onion in half. I'm only gonna use half, guys. I think I only need half of it. And let's see. Like that. Then I think with dice. Right? With dice, then them onions. Let's see. Okay, we need to cut them further. Guys, I'm not perfect on my knifing skills, but I try. You know what? They say only practice makes perfect, right? Yeah, I think that's the word. Practice makes perfect. So let's practice, guys. But yeah, I think that's enough. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to warm up my noodles. Warm up the noodles with boiling water. I like using this big bowl because of yeah, everything fits in it. So I'm gonna boil my 2 noodles using the 1 packet's spices, right? Yeah. So guys, a lot of people, what they do is that they break their noodles. They break them. I don't do that because I like them like long, and like I want to like pull them with my mouth, like I don't know what you call that, but yeah, that's what I like doing. So yeah, we're gonna only add this packet to the 2 noodles. So yeah, guys, just adding the water, the boiling water into the noodles. I'm not gonna put a lot of water, guys, like just a little bit. So what I wanna do is that I'm gonna like just close it like for 5 minutes or so, just for them to soak. Yeah, to soak in the boiling water. Let's just turn them around. Ooh, I mustn't burn. So guys, why am I doing this? It's because of I don't want to cook. I'm gonna put them like in the microwave like for 3 minutes or so. Yeah, after like making them just soak for like 5 minutes. The reason why I'm doing this, guys, I believe like when you cook them, they become like so soft, and I don't want them to be like that. You know, I don't like my noodles like that. So I just prefer them a little bit firmish, nyana. I don't know how to explain, but I don't like them like so soft. Nah, then they become like porridge or something like that. Nah, that doesn't taste good. Trust me. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna fry my egg. After frying my egg, I'm going to fry my veggies. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so I don't have the fanciest what you call it. Wait, just hold on. I just need to switch on my stove. So yeah, guys, as I was saying, I don't have the fanciest like pan and whatnot. So I just use what I have. So I'm just gonna add some oil to fry my egg. Not a lot. Just gonna, yeah, I think that will be enough. Then what I do is that so that you can just fill it up the whole pan. I don't like oily food, guys, so that's why I add like just a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, let's just wait for it to get warm and hot so that I can start frying my egg. So yeah, guys, here's my egg. I don't like my egg well done. I like it runny. So yeah. So now I'm gonna do my veggies. So stay tuned. I've got my onions in the pan. I'm just gonna do my onions until they're nice and goldish. Yeah. Then from there I'm gonna add my carrots and my and my spinach to this. So yeah, guys, let's see what happens. As you can see, they are getting a bit goldish. So we don't want the onions to burn, guys. Yeah, I believe they are good. So now I'm gonna add my spinach and my carrots to this. So yeah, guys, here's my spinach, tomato, onions, everything in one. I think I'm gonna also add some tomato paste to this, guys, to make it a bit juicy and nice. We shall see. Nice and colorful, guys. So let me just chop my what do you call it, my green chili, so that I can also get it cooking. So yeah, let's do that. Green chili time. Where the chili inside. And mix. Then guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start boiling my noodles in the microwave just for like 3 minutes or so. Yeah. So guys, into my what do you call it, into my veggies, I'm gonna put like some salt. Yeah, some salt. Oh, sorry about that. Salt and alright, yeah, I'm gonna add some salt. This Texan steak spice tastes so good, guys, and some of this smoked paprika. So yeah, let's get that in. Add the salt and some of this paprika. Then some of the Texas steak spice. Yeah guys, there we go. All my spices and salt in there. Oh yeah, it looks dry now guys, but just wait until I add the what you call it, until I add the noodles in with the some of the water in here. It's gonna look good. So yeah, let's get the noodles. Yeah guys, so here we go. I have my noodles in there. Yeah guys, I don't know, does it look good? But for me, I know this tastes good, guys. I know this tastes really, really, really good, guys. You should try it. You should try it. It's nice, spicy, and yeah, it's like a stir fry of veggies and noodles. Yeah, doesn't have a lot of water in it, like a ramen also. But guys, this tastes like really good. Trust me. Trust me. Then guys, remember my one of the packets had one of these. I only used one in here, so I'm gonna use the other packet, right? So here it's the the chili and the seasoning. Yeah, so I'm gonna add that in there. So yeah, watch this. So now it has like four seasonings. It has that the Texan spice, the what you call it, the paprika, the smoked paprika, salt, yeah, and this noodle spice. Is it too much? I don't know. You tell me, guys. You'll comment down below and you'll tell me if it is too much. If it is too much, then next time I will reduce it, guys. So yeah, you guys tell me. So yeah, guys, I'm done. I'm going to dish up and eat. Guys, this is my breakfast, guys. Is that good or bad? I don't know. You tell me. I just woke up feeling this and wanting to eat this. So yeah, I think I'm done. Let me clean up and dish up for myself and start eating, guys. So check you soon. So yeah, guys, here's my take on stir fry noodles with tomato, spinach, and carrots and onions and an egg. So yeah, let's see. Let's taste and see if it's good, guys. So yeah, guys, let's try it out. You see, as I was saying, that I don't want to break up my noodles. They are nice and long. I don't care what anybody says, guys. This is good. This is really, really good. So, guys, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. If there was something else that I needed to do better or that I need to improve on, yeah, you know, I'm not perfect. I'm just learning. Yeah. So, but it's good, guys. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below on what else I should do next, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you love, happiness, and joy. Thank you.
Take a little sip of that. Flood all my bitches in that. I'm in the projects with that pet. My jewelry leave them blind like bats. Diamonds for her in the back. Hit that little bitch from the back. Just that.